Hey, welcome back to another video in the series I'm calling the 10 Tutorials of Christmas. Today we're going to be talking about bike control again, and we're going to be talking about turns and terrain, because if you can't make pretty good turns and change your style depending on your terrain pretty easily, it's going to be really hard to ride on the trails. So right now I'm going to show you a route that is pretty good for practicing your bike control and everything that I've actually made a video about so far. So let's get into it. You start off with it going up onto maybe something elevated, and now this is a different terrain. It's actually quite loose and wet, and you kind of go through an area with some turns. And you do a couple more turns in this tree area. Now you can do this with honestly anything you can put on the ground, and then you go up those hills, go down. And why this is actually a good route or something that you can find or make yourself is because it has different terrains. It has different downhills and uphills, and also it makes it so you can practice everything that I've talked about so far: braking, shifting, and most importantly bike control. So let's try it. So anyways, you might be wondering, why exactly is doing something like that so important? Why not just have a route where you go straight, or go straight with a turn? Well, that's because it actually has conditions that you would experience on a trail, like differences in terrain, differences in elevation. All these things make it useful for learning, because if you're just going straight on concrete, then it won't be much of a challenge. That's like riding on a road, not on a trail. And also you get to practice shifting, braking, and all of these things that I've talked about earlier in one cohesive thing. Now of course you don't need something exactly like what I did. Just find some things that you can put on the ground as obstacles or something like that and practice yourself, because, well, that's kind of the essence of biking: having fun and getting better. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. If you do like my content, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!